The Dart Kitten is an orthodox low-wing civil light touring aircraft designed by Alfred Weyl. It was the third aircraft type to be produced by Dart Aircraft, was originally named the Kitten and was later designated the Mark I. The fuselage is plywood covered with a fabric-covered turtle deck and fairing for the pilot's head. The wing centre section is an integral part of the fuselage and houses the undercarriage, flying controls and cockpit seat. The tapered outer wing panels are fixed onto the centre section. A fairing covers the telescopic undercarriage legs, with the open top of the leg unusually protruding above the surface of the wing and covered with a rubber plate. The prototype was completed in 1936, was registered GAERP and first flew on January 15, 1937. It was fitted with a French-built AVA 27 horsepower 2-stroke flat 4-cylinder engine and displayed fairly good handling qualities but was rather underpowered. An improved version, the Kitten Mk II, was flown the same year. It featured a redesign of the cockpit fuselage rear decking, the addition of a larger windscreen, a modified undercarriage and the installation of a more powerful Jap engine. This aircraft was registered AEXT and had a purchase price in 1938 of £360. The two aircraft flew again after World War II, but sadly both later crashed, killing their pilots, although AEXT was not destroyed. A third Kitten was assembled in 1951 from components of one of the two pre-war made kits of parts stored in a garage in Loudwater, Buckinghamshire. This machine incorporated a few minor changes and became the Mark III, registered GAMJP. It too later crashed. AEXT is owned by Alan Hartfield. It's powered by a 2-cylinder Aeronca Jap 99 engine and is the only surviving aircraft of its type.